everyone! Today we're going to talk about high dollars. It's been a while since my last post about this project, and I think it's about time to refresh our excitement, just like the first time we encountered it. From the beginning of this project, I know we were all anticipating what's ahead of high dollars. There were so many theories and speculations on the web. Some say it's just another crap project that collects users' data to sell or whatever. This also resulted in people dropping high dollars totally. On my part, if you're fascinated by something like this, especially when we were offered to receive 100 high dollars daily just by chatting on Telegram, it's okay to be skeptical and do something about it rather than shutting the door completely or saying I'm in right there and then. Always remember that you have the right to pause and ponder. Do your research, engage in the project's community. This way, you will encounter real people expressing real situations and experiences about the project. It's not to tell you what to do, but it may help you make the right decision. Anyway, for this video, I will share how I'm still earning on this platform after the white paper 2.0 is released in January this year. The requirements for the daily rewards have gotten a big change. Before the update, we can all claim one high dollar daily just by answering questions on Telegram and earn an extra 50% from our referrals earnings. Now, for us to continue claiming a free high dollar, we have to continuously invite at least one friend every 7 days, complete KYC, and purchase high or deposit other crypto with a minimum amount of $25. The reason why it's set to $25 is that 100 high dollars is approximately around $25 to $35 based on the current 1 year daily release price, which we also need to stake to be able to unlock our rewards for the following month. Otherwise, our rewards will be burnt after a year from the date we claimed it. Hi. I know many of you are disheartened by this change. Me neither. I wasn't able to claim free high dollars since then. But that wasn't the end of high dollars for me because I believe in this project. I've exhausted my time researching and following the progress of this project, and I want to be part of it. This change might also help you decide whether to continue investing in High or not. I want you to understand that High is a financial services platform, and the reason why they're doing this is to achieve its sustainability. They want their members to be productive contributors, not just collecting high dollars without doing anything. Imagine if all users just collect high dollars without investing, and suddenly after a year, all users withdrew their collected high dollars. Do you think High would still exist in the future? No. We just took everything from them, so it will die and lose its value. I'm not an expert on finance or whatnot, but you don't have to be one to understand that growing as a business is a matter of give and take. If you haven't decided yet whether to invest in High or not, let me show you how we can benefit from this change. The first thing we need to do is to complete the KYC. Banking institutions predominantly require their customers to do KYC or Know Your Customer. This is to avoid fraud and money laundering and other illegal activities from happening. This is not only to protect the company, but everyone that is part of it. KYC is also very important in High because if we don't complete this step, we won't be able to get our rewards as well as our referral earnings. If they will not complete KYC, then all of our rewards will be worth nothing. The second thing is we have to stake 100 high dollars with a combined balance from vault and earnings. Originally, our rewards are locked for 1 year. By staking, it will allow us to unlock our rewards every first day of each month. I've mentioned in my previous video about High that I'm not yet recommending buying High during that time. But if you still want your rewards, you've got no choice but to deposit or purchase High at this point. Just remember to only do this if you already have confidence in high dollars. Let's say you believe in this project, however, you can't afford to deposit 100 high dollars at this time. What High recommends is to invest little by little to get up to 100 High. If you're one of those members who consistently claim free high dollars daily, I'm pretty sure you don't want your rewards to be wasted. I'm posting videos about how to earn free Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other crypto assets on this channel. You might want to check them out. Then, whatever the amount you earn from those platforms, you can use it to buy high. The good thing is that high doesn't require a minimum deposit. So if you can deposit $5, that's around 50 high already based on the current price. Set it to 1 year or a 4 year daily release to flexible. Your 50 high dollars will then send to your vault and you will unlock 50 high dollars from your rewards. Then do that again the following month or whenever you can deposit another 50 high dollars to get to 100 high. It only takes one person weekly to continue claiming free high dollar, but believe me, that one person is the hardest person to get, at least for me. So even though I know I won't be claiming free high dollar for the following days, I use other means instead to benefit from this platform. According to the creators, which I also believe, Hi is not just an app.
Hi is not just an app.
Hi has a lot of ways here to grow your investment. If you want, you can also deposit other crypto assets they support and earn up to 40% APY. Some don't have a lockup period like USDT and Ethereum. You can also use your unlocked rewards to play games and earn from the game pool. If you want to maximize your rewards once it's released to flexible, you can deposit that into your earnings and earn another up to 40% APY. You will also enjoy the benefits of being a member depending on your membership tier. You just have to maintain a specific balance in your vault or earnings to retain your benefits. And if your referrals purchased high under a 1 year or a 4 year daily release, you'll get a bonus of 10% and 5% if it's coming from a downstream. Recently, I transferred my balance from flexible to earnings to add more value to my rewards, which I will be showing how in my next video. In my opinion, it takes courage to invest in cryptocurrency because of its volatility. These digital assets might be valuable today, but in a blink of an eye, they might drop to zero. The last time I checked on Bitcoin was around $24,000. Now it's around $20,000, and who knows, it might still go down. Despite this, we can still be profitable with the right and sufficient knowledge about the things we're investing in. We have self-control and we don't invest the money we are afraid to lose. Remember that. That's it for today, guys. I hope you learned something today. I'll see you in my next video. I wish you all the best and thank you so much for watching. Please take care. Bye.